Hello, this is a tin whistle, a traditional Irish music instrument, simple instrument with 6 holes, and you can hear it in many Irish folk songs, for example in this one. Yes, it sounds nice, but let's use our electronic skills to make our own version of tin whistle. Instead of holes, I will need few push buttons, and these seems very nice. I will also need microcontroller and few components, and of course a custom PCB. And here it is, the mighty flute of Doomsday. No, this is not fancy MIDI controller, it will not produce high quality audio. I'm a simple man. Sound is produced by simple buzzer. Yes, buzzer, the most annoying speaker in the world. So let's hear how it sounds. So, not that bad. You can have fun with this, you can program different scales, tunes, there are many possibilities. In this video I will show you how I made this, I will show you how you can make this, and I will play music for you. And you can return the favor by subscribing to this channel. But before I continue, I need to say a couple words about our sponsor. For this mighty instrument, PCB is designed by me and it is made by PCB Way. PCB Way is a member of this channel for a very long time. And with their help I made many cool toys. You can check their site, link is in description. They can produce any PCB for you very fast, quality is always great. When I received this flute PCB, they also sent me these two rulers, black and pink, which I will use very often, black one of course, and a free pen. I share this PCB also on PCB Way site, so you can order it if you want to make this. So let's check my whistle closely. Tin whistle has 6 holes. These red push buttons represents these 6 holes, and with this one, this black one, I can play next octave. So here is whole range of notes I can play. Also, all wind instruments can produce notes only if you blow air into them. So here is a switch for that. I know, not the best solution. You can recommend me something better in comments. Maybe some air sensor. Other than that, here I have 80 Mega 328 microcontroller I stole from Arduino Uno. So programming this is quite simple. First I need to write code, then upload code to Arduino Uno, and then I need to steal microcontroller and install to my instrument. Voila! 80 mega needs some additional components to work. So here I have 10 microfarads capacitor, 16 megahertz crystal oscillator, and two 22 nanofarads capacitors. Using these components you can make an Arduino on breadboard. I will put some links in description. Of course, here is a buzzer, and here I have a resistor and LED, which I turned off because light was annoying and I want to save battery power. Battery is a regular regular 3.7 LiPo battery. To charge battery you will need some external charger. On and off switch is also missing because lack of space, I guess. So to turn on and off I need to connect this connector. I know, clumsy solution, but the next version will be much better. And now I need to confess you something. I made a huge mistake when designing this PCB. I made these holes too small. So I used drill to make them bigger, which made few problems because I destroyed some tracks on PCB, so few buttons are soldered directly to 80 mega here underneath. So inside is a mess. Also, another mistake I made. Footprint on this PCB is wrong. So here is pin 1, not here. So if you are planning to make this and if you order this PCB, keep in mind that pin 1 is here. So you need to just turn your 80 mega right on this way. But don't worry, if you want to order this PCB, shared version on PCBWay site is version with right hole size. And I added notation so you know that this is first pin. And now I will just explain you how to solder this push button. It is quite simple. Each push button, for example this one, have two pins nearby. These middle ones are ground. They are same, they are ground, and these are connected to pin on Arduino or 80 mega 328. So this one is connected to pin 8, this one is connected to pin 7, not to pin 7, to digital input output pin on Arduino. So one thing you need to do is to insert this push button here, and one side of the button goes on ground and other side goes right here. And that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Like always, you can find many useful information in description. You can find code, part list, and you can find order link for this PCB. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want you can always buy me coffee, link is also in description. And now you can enjoy more attempts to play music using this device. Thank you and goodbye.